So today I'll be teaching you the most easiest content idea, that is the niche you can do on Facebook as a content creator. Even if you're a beginner, you don't have any idea, don't rack your brain. I have them for you that you can do and you don't need to stress yourself. So today I'll be mentioning six of them that you can actually do as a content creator. And one of them is DIY videos. Now, DIY videos means do it yourself. That is anything you can do yourself at home, in your workplace, in any environment. Maybe you know how to repair something. You can just teach people. Come online and do it, how to do it. Maybe you know how to um minimize costs for a particular thing. You can just come and do it. Probably you know how to make ring lights in a local way without being going to buy a ring. There are so many things you can do yourself. You can just start with that. That's the DIY videos. And you know that one does not require a lot of money to start. It doesn't require too much of understanding. Just what you know how to do. You keep doing it as a video content. Now, the second one on my list I have is blogging. Now, this blogging is whereby you analyze people's video, and blogging could be in form of writing. Blogging could be in form of video as well. Now, majorly, whereby you analyze videos, that is, you see a video, you can talk about the video, say your own opinion about the video, as in express yourself. It doesn't matter. You could actually pick saying only the negative parts, you could actually pick saying reading the positive part of the video, or you can actually mention the two parts and analyze it and come to your own conclusion. And this blogging is majorly for trendy videos, so you don't necessarily have to start thinking of what videos to use or what videos not to use. All you just have to do is go and look for the video that is trendy. Every day we have what is trendy. It could be celebrities. You could just be celebrities you want to just be analyzing. So every day we have new news about different celebrities. You pick it, and you know that as a blogger, once you pick any trendy videos, it makes your video to go viral. That's just the secret. Now, another one on my list is faceless video. A lot of people don't say this. Faceless videos, what you also know as motivational videos, but it's beyond motivational videos. With faceless videos, you can teach people anything you want to teach them. With faceless videos, you can put inspirational videos, motivational videos, without showing your face. This is for people that are shy like me, that doesn't like to show their face on camera. So you can use that instead of them showing your face. You compile the video and use a text to speech or a voice over it as well, and that one doesn't require much at all. You don't need to stress your brain. If you're doing motivational videos, you just go for motivational words and look for videos, compile them together and put a song around it, but make sure you don't pick copyrighted videos as well. Now, that's how many have I mentioned now? That's three, right? Now, another one on my list is vlogging. Now, this one is for those of us that are students. If you know you're a student and you have all the time, you've been looking for a job, you don't know what to do, my dear, pick up your phone and start vlogging. As you are going out, you are doing video, how your streets look like. Oh, look at the latest thing that is going on. Oh, I visited this restaurant. Oh, that is vlogging. Talking about your lifestyle, all your life activities. That one is easier, you don't need to think. But majorly for those of us that fully want to go into content creating, so you cannot be doing your job and be doing it because you need time to actually do this. That's number four on my list. Another one again that people don't do to talk about is product review. Are you the type that likes skincare? When I was doing my research, I always saw few people do product review and I see how people troop there. So if you're the type that like skincare, you can do your review on different skincare products you've used. Every lady wants to be looking fine. Everyone wants to be looking good. And if you have that um um zeal or something you see you enjoy doing, why don't you just do that? That product review has good content to start with. And you do not need much fun. You can just start in your apartment, in your room. By the ones you are using, the skincare products you are using, you start with that. Another one on my list again that I know a lot of people don't really talk about is educational video, just like the one I'm doing right now. If you know you have something on this your head that you've not teach people, come on social media, come on Facebook and come and teach people. Let them have the understanding. Pass value to them. Let them learn. You cannot just be the only one to have them all in your bottled in your own brain. You come out and teach them what you know. Anything, anything. We have a lot of things to learn. You know how to bake, you know how to cook, you know how to sew clothes, mesh two clothes together, you know how to design clothes, you know how to do a lot of things. You know how to rewire lights in an easy way. These are things you can teach. They also fall also in the category of DIYs too sometimes, because some DIYs involve teaching as well, but it has to be something within your reach you can use. But educational video is anything. You could teach people how to make money, you could teach people how to do anything. And the last one on my list is consulting. You could be a good storyteller. You could talk about people's experience that you've seen. You could talk about your own experience, say stories, heartfelt story, your past experience. So people that are in that has actually been in that shoe can actually relate with you. These are content. There's nobody that will tell me they don't have a story. There's nobody that will tell me they don't have a one story or the other that they have in their past lives or that has happened to them but they cannot talk about. You can start from there. So if you really enjoyed my video, I'd like for you to help me with share it, share and like that people that need this video can actually benefit from it. I know a lot of us now wants to create content but don't know how to start. A lot of us want to create but we don't have an idea. So you can actually share so the people that need it can also see it. Thank you.